If your Xfinity 5 GHz Wi-Fi isn't working or showing up, it's likely due to issues with the router's mode, channel, or channel width settings. The 5 GHz band offers faster speeds but shorter range, making it susceptible to interference and obstacles. This can prevent devices, especially older ones, from detecting or connecting to the network. The first step is to understand that outdated device hardware or incorrect router settings are the most common culprits. Make sure your devices support 5 GHz. Newer Xfinity X5 gateway routers use Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax standards, but older devices might only support 2.4 GHz or older Wi-Fi modes. To fix your 5 GHz Wi-Fi issue, first access your X5 gateway settings using the Xfinity app or by entering 10.0.1 in a web browser. Navigate to the Wi-Fi settings. In Wi-Fi settings, check the mode. Ensure it's not set to an outdated mode. Try setting it to 802.11ac only or AX only for optimal 5 GHz performance. But note this may exclude older devices. Next, adjust the channel. Use the Xfinity app or a third-party app like Wi-Fi Analyzer to scan for less congested 5 GHz channels. Avoid crowded ones like 36, 40, or 44. Then, experiment with channel width. Wider widths like 80 MHz offer faster speeds but are more prone to interference. For stability, try narrowing to 20 MHz if experiencing dropouts. Finally, reboot the router and update its firmware. Ensure your device isn't locked to the 2.4 GHz band. If problems persist, relocate the router away from interference sources like microwaves or metal objects.